Now in this video, I've got the 2N7000 N-channel E Mosfet, and the E means enhancement mode. Across the front of my Mosfet, I've got a 9-volt DC source, and on the drain side, I've got a blue 3-volt LED, and on the source side, I've got a 200 ohm resistor. Now at the back of the transistor, I've got a resistor here and a resistor here. These two resistors is creating a voltage divider across my 9-volt source. Now I want my current to be 20 milliamps. That means I will also have 20 milliamps flowing through my 200 ohm resistor, and that means that I'm going to need 4 volts across my 200 ohm resistor. Okay, so now I've got my 3-volt diode, and I already know that my current will be 20 milliamps. And I will have the 20 milliamps flowing through the drain and also flowing through the source. Now I've got to find these back resistors. Now on my first resistor here, I'm just going to pick a value. So I'm going to make my value of this resistor 150 ohms. Now at this point, the value of this resistor is really arbitrary. But now I'm going to have to choose the value of this resistor very carefully. And the reason I have to is because I know that I'm going to need 6 volts across my resistor. And I also know that since this is a voltage divider, I'm going to be needing 3 volts across my 150 ohm. So now what I have to do is I have to find the value of this resistor so that I can get my 6 volts here. And because I have 6 volts here, I'm going to have about 2 volts right here across VGS. So now the question is, exactly how do I find the value of this resistor? First, I find the current that will be flowing through my 150 ohm. And so I go 3 volts divided by 150 ohm. That's I equal 3 volts divided by 150 ohms. And that will give me a current of 20 microamps. So my current that will be flowing through my 150k ohm resistor will be 20 microamps. Now, since I won't be having any current at all flowing into the gate, I know that my 20 microamps will also be flowing across my resistor right here. So, in order for me to find the value of this resistor, I'm going to call it R. And I take my 6 volts and I divide that by 20 microamps. And that will give me a value of 300 k ohms. And so when I put my 300 k ohm resistor in the circuit, I'm going to have a voltage right here of 6 volts. And I'm going to have 4 volts here. And I'm going to have my 2 volts VGS here. And I will have my 20 milliamp current flowing through my blue 3 volt diode. And this brings me to the end of the video. Subscribe, like, share. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks for your attention.